That recent decision by the West Indies coaching staff to drop young batting star Shimron Hetmyer for the last match in the ODI series against Ireland should be applauded. Some of us been begging a drop for Hetmyer for weeks and months. And it's not just a drop for drop's sake. This was a tactical or a strategic drop. This youth was beginning to take his place in the West Indies team and his batting talent for granted. Hetmyer must understand that to whom much is given, much is expected. And he was not doing enough justice to his talent. Too many times he was guilty of poor situational awareness and disastrous shot selection, and an attitude to follow, like he don't care. When at the batting crease, Hetmyer needs to take the kind of responsibility that is commensurate with his skill level. So yes, we fully support Phil Simmons and the leadership of the West Indies team, including skipper Kyron Pollard, for dropping Hetmyer for that game. Make him watch from the dressing room and carry some water. When he comes back into the team, we hope to see a more disciplined and professional approach to his batting and more patience and effective decision-making from one of our brightest young batting prospects. If those improvements are not forthcoming, who to tell? They might have to drop him again.